Before starting the next question number 5 of 3.1, I will tell you what is linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial, cubic polynomial. Linear polynomials are polynomials of degree 1. Degree 1 means only variable, no square, no cube, nothing. Degree is only and only 1. For example, 3x plus 2 minus 5y plus 7. Only x term, only y term, no x square, no x cube. Quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials are polynomials of degree 2. Of degree 2. Degree 2 means x square, y square term will come. For example, 3 plus 2y plus 7y square. Second example, 2x square minus 8, etc. Square term maximum. Cubic polynomial, name itself suggests cubic means cube is there. Cubic polynomials are polynomials of degree 3. If degree is 1, linear. If degree is 2, quadratic. If degree is 3, they are called cubic. For example, 2m minus 3 plus 4m cube. Cube term should be there, maximum. Second, 3y minus 4y cube plus 7 plus 2y square. What is the maximum degree? 3. Maximum degree 3 means cubic polynomial. So write all these 3 points neatly in your notebook before we start. Before we start the next part, this next question from 3.1. Neatly write it. Practice set 3.1, question number 5. Classify the following polynomial as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomial. Classify the following polynomials as linear, quadratic and cubic polynomials. There are two methods. First write all and then divide into 3 parts, or one by one tell which is the type it is. I will write one by one. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. 2x square plus 3x plus 1. What is maximum degree? 2. So 2 means what? Quadratic. It is quadratic polynomial. Then second, 5p, it is only variable is p and only one degree is 1, p means p raised to 1. It is linear polynomial. Degree 1 means linear polynomial. Third, root 2 y minus half. Root 2 is coefficient of y. Y is not in root. So it is a polynomial. Is, what is the degree of y maximum? 1. Is linear polynomial again. Fourth, m cube plus 7m square plus 5 by 2m minus root 7. What is maximum in degree? Maximum index 3. Degree 3. So it is cubic polynomial. Degree 3 means cubic. Fifth, a square. Degree is 2. It is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic. And last 3 are cube. Degree is 3. Index is 3. It is cubic polynomial. Remember, polynomial are classified as per degree into these 3 types: linear, quadratic and cubic, and as per terms: binomial, trinomial, monomial. These are 3 terms trinomial. This is monomial. These are 2 term binomial. 4 term, not binomial, trinomial, anything. It is monomial. Monomial. That monomial, binomial, trinomial based on number of terms. And whatever is asked here, it is quadratic or linear. All that is based on index, maximum index degree of the polynomial. So it is different type of classification than binomial, trinomial. So neatly note it. Now one of the easy question, write the following polynomial in standard form. First I will write given polynomial as it is. In the answer it is expected to write first m cube plus 3 plus 5m. Therefore its a standard form is. Generally in standard form we are writing from highest index to lowest index. What is the highest index? M cube term. M cube. After that m square is absent, so don't write. Then m term along with sign. Then constant term. This is the answer. Similarly, second very lengthy 6 terms are given. So first given polynomial we have to write as it is. Given polynomial is minus 7y plus y raised to 5 plus 3y cube minus half plus 2y raised to 4 minus y square. Therefore, its a standard form is. If place you cannot fit it in one line, you may write this polynomial next line, next polynomial next line. It's a standard form is. Try to write in one line. सगळा हा पॉलिनॉमियल एका लाईनमध्ये लिहायला पाहिजेला आहे. पुरत नसेल तर कंप्लीट खालच्या लाईनला लिहा. इट्स अ स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म इज मॅक्झिमम फर्स्ट y raised to 5, then y raised to 4 along with sign, then y cube term along with sign, then y square term along with sign, whatever it is, plus, minus, number, coefficient, then y term, then number term. This is called standard form. Write the following polynomials in coefficient form. It is given is index, means index form. The given polynomial first write the polynomial x cube minus 2 is equal to, write along with all terms which are absent with coefficient 0 in between highest to lowest. And then therefore its a coefficient form is, write those coefficient. What is coefficient of x cube? 1 comma x square 0 comma for x 0 comma for constant minus 2. All that should be written in a bracket separating by comma. If degree is 3, terms are 4. If degree is 3, terms are 4. So there must be 4 coefficient. One more than degree. Now second given is 5y. The given polynomial y is equal to, many will write 5y means 5y, write 5 as a coefficient, 5y plus 0. Last time also I had told you in the information, to write coefficient form last must be constant term, number term. If not there, write plus 0. Therefore its a coefficient form is in bracket 5 comma 0. Only if you write 5, then meaning is only 5, and 5 comma 0 means 5y plus 0, 5x plus 0, like that. Then third, 2m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7. The given polynomial m raised to 4 minus 3m square plus 7 is equal to, along with all terms, m cube is absent, write 0 m cube, m square term exists, so write it, m term is absent, so write 0 m, check it, index is 4, so term must be 5, 1 2 3 4 5. Therefore it's a coefficient form of that polynomial. It's a coefficient form of given polynomial is in bracket 2 comma 0 comma minus 3 comma 0 comma 7. When it is positive, plus sign need not be written, but if it is negative, minus must be written. 2 0 minus 3 0 7. And then the last question of this type, it is asked to write coefficient form of only minus 2 by 3, only constant. The given polynomial, it is constant polynomial, only one term, so nothing will get added. Given polynomial minus 2 by 3, therefore coefficient form, when it is constant there is only one coefficient. Coefficient form is in bracket minus 2 by 3. Coefficients are always written in a bracket in coefficient form. Then there may be 1, there may be 5 number of coefficients. So neatly observe what are the changes made. First we have written given polynomial, then we introduce wherever required 0 term. Also we confirm that it is in the descending order of indices, and then we wrote it. And always last term must be constant term. If it is not there, it must be written as a 0. Now it is asked to write in index form. Coefficients are given. If 3 coefficients are there, degree will come to 1 less. When degree was 2, coefficients were 3. Coefficients are 3, degree will be 2, 1 less. And along with variable x, we have to write, when it is not mentioned, we have to use variable x, general variable. The given coefficient form, given form is coefficient form. Given coefficient form 1, 2, 3. Therefore, index form equal to, it is constant, it is x square. When there are 3 terms, degrees to 1x square plus 2x plus 3. 1 generally not written. Then why we wrote? To make you understand. And again you can simplify and write x square plus 2x plus 3. 0 term can be removed. If 1 is there, 1 need not be written. So this is the final simplified neat form, index form. Second is 5, 0, 0, 0 minus 1. 5, 0, 0, 0 minus 1. The given coefficient form is 5, 0, 0, 0 minus 1. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. 5 terms means index 4, degree 4. Degree 4, 5 terms. 5 terms, degree 4. So we have to start with 5x raised to 4. Therefore, index form is equal to, therefore index form is 5x raised to 4. The index form is 5x raised to 4 plus 0x plus 0x cube plus 0x square plus 0x minus 1. That is equal to, in most of the school they are asking to simplify, means remove 0 terms. 0x cube, 0x square did not be written. In some school they are asking to write only in this form, but in most of the school they are asking to remove 0. So simplified index form is 5x raised to 4 minus 1. Similarly, one more sum is given. Third, minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. The given coefficient form. What is given coefficient form? Minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2. How many terms are there? 4. So what is the index? 3. If you cannot remember, you can confirm it. It is 0, constant term, x square term, x cube term. Constant, variable, square, cube, x cube. Therefore, index form is, what is index form is equal to minus 2 x cube plus 2x square minus 2x plus 2. No 0 term, nothing will be simplified, so that is only the answer. Neatly write all the steps correctly in your notebook. Don't keep only videos, it is of no use. You must write in your notebook. It is observed that last videos sent to you, some of you have not at all observed. So every time you must write it on the same day or same night. If you do not get during that time period of 4-5 o'clock, you may complete it at night, but complete it. Now in the 9th sum, they have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 polynomials, and they asked to classify it as quadratic, cubic and linear. That is also not given in proper sequence. First they have given quadratic, then cubic, then linear, and also as binomial, trinomial, monomial. Binomial given up 2 terms, trinomial 3 terms, monomial 1 term given last. In that, here we can observe there are one of the polynomial having 4 terms. 4 term is not monomial, binomial, trinomial. It will not fit anywhere. Whatever is possible, that we have to write. One by one I will explain and write. Pay attention. First here we have to write a box containing quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials. Now which are the quadratic polynomials that we have to decide first? Quadratic means degree 2. Quadratic means degree 2. Maximum index 2. Maximum index 2. Maximum index 2. Maximum index 2. How many are they? 3. So that much place you must write here. Don't write only one line. Means don't look at the book or question paper and first draw. First decide and then make it. And make all these borders and everything with pencil first, and inner material should be written with pen. So which are the quadratic? First is x square. Second is 2x square plus 5x plus 10. Line wise write as it is given here, line wise. In one line only one. 3x square plus 5x. Then they ask after quadratic, they ask cubic polynomial. Cubic, name itself suggests in which cube exists. In which cube exists. Degree 3. Cubic polynomials. Cubic polynomials. Then decide how many are there and accordingly make the box. Cubic degree 3, 1, 2. 2 are there, degree 3. So you must have 2 lines for that. Which are those? X cube plus x square plus x plus 5. One line. And second line is for x cube plus 9. X cube plus 9. X cube plus 9. Then they ask linear polynomial. It is not necessary that it must end within this line, etc. You can use next lines. Linear polynomials. First count how many linear polynomials are there. Degree 1. Linear polynomials. Degree 1. 1 degree, x term. 1. Only and only 1. So x plus 7. Only one line is sufficient. So here we have written quadratic 3, cubic 2, linear 1, total all the 6. Then on the other side, we have tried binomial. Binomial polynomials means polynomial having terms 2 terms. Only one side, one time plus or minus will come. 2 terms should be there. So which are the binomial? This is binomial 2 terms. This is binomial 2 terms. This is also binomial 2 terms. So there are 3 binomials. So we need 3 lines. 2 terms. X plus 7. comma, next. X cube plus 9. Now degree etc. is not important. How many terms, that is important. And binomial means 2 terms. After x cube plus 9, what is the next one? 3x square plus 5x. After binomial, they ask trinomial, 3 terms. Tri means 3. Trinomial means polynomial with 3 terms. Trinomials. Trinomials. How many trinomials are there? 3 terms.